For 60 years, the United Nations Development Program has operated at the forefront of tackling the toughest development challenges around the world. From poverty and gender inequality to climate change and biodiversity loss. Our global reach and local expertise have enabled us to develop integrated solutions, driving sustainable progress that lasts. In China, UNDP has worked alongside partners to deliver and scale solutions that protect the planet and improve livelihoods for over 4.5 decades. Together, we've mobilized nearly $10 billion and implemented more than 1,000 projects covering all provinces in the Chinese mainland. Today, we are working to advance the Sustainable Development Goals, the Global Development Blueprint for a greener, more inclusive, and just future. Our efforts are aligned with China's 15th five-year plan, its climate targets, and its national strategy for rural revitalization. Alongside SDG progress assessments we have undertaken at municipal, district, and city levels to help shape sustainable development policies, we are also supporting efforts to unlock and align financing to key SDG priority areas. For example, through our investor maps, we've identified SDG investment opportunity areas worth over $280 billion, spanning health, agriculture, clean energy, and the circular economy. In addition, our long-standing work on water governance, which has helped to improve water security in China over nearly 2 decades, is now focusing on leveraging frontier technologies and digital tools, including satellite imagery and geospatial data, to maximize impact. These innovations have helped to assess water availability and ecosystem conditions, enhancing overall management of water resources and strengthening local economies. We are also working to advance renewable energy technologies, like green hydrogen in China, by ensuring alignment with international standards and building capacities. For example, in Foshan and Changshu, our vocational training program is equipping workers, nearly 30% women, with green skills for tomorrow's hydrogen economy. And through our Movers program, we are growing a youth-led movement across the country, building SDG awareness and entrepreneurial spirit in tens of thousands of young people through local workshops and trainings, aiming to empower the next generation of climate champions. Across our network of 10 SDG innovation labs launched throughout China, including in official SDG demonstration zones, we are supporting local governments to explore and pilot comprehensive, future-fit models for inclusive, low-carbon, and resilient development that can be taken to scale through a whole-of-government and whole-of-society approach. We have also worked to safeguard ecosystems and contributed to the expansion of protected areas in China by over 100,000 square kilometers, which has helped to conserve biodiversity, absorb carbon emissions, and strengthen the natural foundations that communities and economies depend on. And leveraging our global platforms, we help inform China's contributions to international development cooperation for strengthened SDG impact, bringing global expertise into China, sharing China's experiences with the world, and strengthening monitoring and reporting to better track and accelerate SDG progress. From villages to the global stage, our stories have traveled far. Through powerful campaigns and partnerships, we've brought development results to life, reaching hundreds of millions, inspiring action, and making the SDGs everyone's story. As we move toward 2030, collective action to advance the SDGs matters more than ever. Together with our partners, UNDP is committed to building on over 4.5 decades of impact in China and continuing our shared journey toward a more inclusive, resilient, and sustainable future. We invite all stakeholders, especially provincial and municipal governments, to join us in shaping that future and turning ambition into action for a world where people and planet thrive.